So here's the thing. Change is never easy, especially deep, lasting, systemic change. And you already know that. What we tend to miss, though, is that it can get easier. We can get better at it. My name is Justyna, and since 2010, I've been exploring how to make change more sustainable, more empowering, and a little bit less exhausting. There are no quick fixes, but there are methods, approaches, and tools that work. Tested by yours truly from Poland to Somalia, from small informal communities to national systems. So if you're leading a transformative process, inside or outside of your organization, I'm here to help you apply these tools to your context and make change clearer, calmer, and built to last.